MCQ number 1. Fossil fuels are coal, natural gas, petroleum, plants, E, A, B and C. So answer is E, means coal, natural gas and petroleum. All these are called also fossil fuels. You know, these are the mineral sources of organic compounds. Mineral sources are also called fossil fuels. MCQ number 2. Coke is produced from bituminous coal by cracking, synthesis, substitution, destructive distillation. कोक छा मां हासिल कयो वेंदो आहे बिट्यूमिनस कोल मां ऐं उहो मेथड कहिड़ो आहे जंहिंजे रस्ते हासिल कयो वेंदो आहे उन बारे में पुछियो थो वञे कोक इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम बिट्यूमिनस कोल by cracking, synthesis, substitution, destructive distillation. Answer is destructive distillation. Number 3, coke is used as आपने ये टॉपिक पढ़ी हुई है तो आप इस क्वेश्चन पर गौर करें और आप खुद जवाब सोचेंगे इसका जवाब क्या होगा फिर मैं बाद में आपको इसका आंसर दिखाऊंगा फिर आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपने जवाब सही दिया है या गलत सो कोक इज यूज्ड एज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट फ्यूल नन ऑफ दिस आंसर इज B, reducing agent. You can see in the topic uses of the coke. तो कोक के यूजेस में आप देख सकते हैं कि कोक को हम स्टील मिल में स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज में एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट के तौर पर हम इसको यूज करते हैं नंबर 4 मेन सोर्स ऑफ लिक्विड फ्यूल इज oil petroleum lubricating none of these in fact all are the liquid fuels oil petroleum lubricant but oil contains petroleum lubricant so answer is the oil A number 5 mineral sources of organic compounds are coal natural gas petroleum you already know it is D all of these what are the important sources of organic compound plant animal coal tar natural gas and petroleum all of the above in fact all are the sources of the organic compound but the most important source are coal tar natural gas and petroleum so answer is C and 7th question which polymers occur naturally as I told you in the first lecture that there are two types of organic compounds natural organic compound and synthetic organic compounds synthetic organic compounds are those which are prepared in the laboratory from the inorganic materials non-living materials so starch and nylon starch and cellulose protein and nylon protein and plastic starch is organic nylon is synthetic starch is natural and cellulose also natural protein is a natural nylon is a synthetic protein is a natural and plastic is a synthetic so starch and cellulose both are the naturally occurring polymers so answer is B 8 number the form of coal which contain 50 to 60 percentage carbon is called anthracite bituminous coal lignite peat we have studied that coal is formed from the dead wood first wood transferred into peat then lignite then bituminous coal and each contain different amount of the carbon in them so peat contain about 50 to 60 percentage carbon answer is D question number 9 the mixture whose constituents are 50% and 50% hydrogen 35% in methane and 8% in carbon monoxide is called you know that it is the coal gas when the coal is subjected to the destructive distillation we obtain coal gas ammonium liquid coal tar and coke and coal gas again contains some gases like methane gas, hydrogen gas, carbon monoxide gas, etc. So answer is the B, coal gas. 10. Peat is the initial stage of the conversion of vegetable matter into पीट इनिशियल फर्स्ट स्टेप है जब ये वेजिटेबल मैटर मीन्स प्लांट्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू कोल सो पीट इज द इनिशियल स्टेज ऑफ द कन्वर्शन ऑफ वेजिटेबल मैटर इनटू कोल आंसर इज द कोल पहले कोल बनता है कोल में से फिर पेट्रोलियम फिर उसके बाद नेचुरल गैस हो कोल इसकी पीट की फर्स्ट स्टेप पे कोल बनाना है सो आंसर इज ए Peat, also known as a turf, is an accumulation of partially decayed vegetarian or organic matter. ये उसका आंसर है फुल. The color of peat is red, yellow, green, brown. Its color is brown, red. Peat is a brownish color, brown. तो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन बताई गई हुई है कि पीट इज अ ब्राउनिश कलर. The compact brownish deposit is made up of partially decomposed plant matter that is saturated in water. जब dead wood से plant से ये पीट बनता है तो ये partially decomposed plant होता है इसलिए उस plant की वजह से उस पर कुछ brownish color आ जाता है. It is used as a fertilizers and dried peat is burned as a fuel. The formation of peat is the first step in the process of forming of coal. ये पहले क्वेश्चन का जवाब है कि जब ने कहा कि फर्स्ट स्टेप इनिशियल स्टेप ऑफ द पीट क्या है दैट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोल. पीट कंटेन्स अबाउट 60% कार्बन 70 ये पहले क्वेश्चन हम कर चुके हैं तो 60% कार्बन पीट में मौजूद होती है. ए द परसेंटेज ऑफ मीथेन इन नेचुरल गैस. Natural gas contain that is a sui gas contains about 94% of methane. Natural gas it is also called sui gas in our country. It is a mixture of different gases methane, ethane, propane, butane. So methane is 94% in natural gas. D. Coke is produced from bituminous coal by cracking, synthesis, substitution, destructive distillation. Answer is D. It is a repeated question. D. 15. Main source of liquid fuel is oil. A. Oil की definition क्या है? Oil, otherwise known as petroleum or crude oil, is a thick black liquid composed primarily of hydrogen and carbon. हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन क्या होते हैं? हाइड्रोकार्बन होते हैं. तो ये जो पेट्रोलियम ऑयल है ये एक्चुअली हाइड्रोकार्बन ही होते हैं. कुछ उसमें इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस भी होते हैं लेकिन जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड वो हाइड्रोकार्बन है जैसे अल्केन, अल्कीन, एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन. ये हम आगे चलकर डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. Oil also contain a trace element of sulfur, nitrogen and oxygen. So which of the following is organic molecule? CH4 it is the organic molecule. Silica ये inorganic है, अमोनिया inorganic है, बेरिलियम फ्लोराइड inorganic है, वाटर पे inorganic है. ये NTS के एक टेस्ट में क्वेश्चन आ चुका है कि इनमें से ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल कौन सा है दैट इज द मीथेन CH4. D. Very important source of organic compound is wood, peat, lignite, bituminous coal. Organic compound के सारे sources हैं but the most important source is the bituminous coal that is a soft coal. And the major component of coal gas are hydrogen and methane, ethane and carbon monoxide, nitrogen and ethane, ethane and carbon dioxide. So coal gas में hydrogen and methane ज़्यादा quantity में होते हैं. Solid products obtained by destructive distillation of coal is coal gas, coal tar, coke, ammoniacal compound. नाम से ही जाहिर है कि कोक जो होता है वो hard substance है. It is the solid. Answer is the C. The product obtained as a result of destructive distillation of coal used as a fuel is coal gas. Coal gas को हम fuel के तौर पर use कर सकते हैं. A. Inorganic compounds carbon atom form ionic bond, metallic bond, covalent bond. None of these. तो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में कार्बन कोवलेंट बॉन्ड ही बनाता है। ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड